Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So you know what time it is. Oh, look at my baby little finger. Alright, don't be stealing the mail though. Don't steal the mail. No. I'm getting ready to open it. No, stop. This is my Simply Gilded February subscription. Whoop, whoop. And I know I told y'all I was not Kobe. I know I told y'all I was not buying no more stickers, but your girl bought some more stickers. Yeah. That's mine. I was tripping. But let me zoom y'all in. Alright, I'm gonna do this sticker first. Girl, my daughter just touch on anything. No. Yes, you do. Okay. So these are from London, and the company name is Poppy Willow CO. And I stumbled across them on Etsy, and I absolutely adore the stickers. Love, love, love them. Okay, this is just a little freebie. That's cute. So I've been showing up and showing out with my spreads. I'm gonna have to show y'all. Like, I've been geeking about them. So that's why I bought more, so that they can match. And I know it's like a little glare on there. Y'all can't see it. But these the numbers. Near and gold. And it's a floral print. I like it. I ain't got no pets. But they got recycling, trash, washing, house, champagne, toast, and balloons. Just cute little stickers. It's another floral spread. And this will go on the sidebars and the calendars. I bought some more months with a more upbeat background. The last months I had were a darker gray background. And I wanted something more, you know, light and fluffy and pretty. Y'all, I'm obsessed. Do you hear me? Obsessed. I love that snowy yet vibrant. Like, I love it. Look at that, old folks walking. This just, I love this spread. Ooh, look at the wintry cupcake. I just love it. Oh. And this will go on the sidebar. And I'll show y'all in a second what they look. Oh, I did not know about. I didn't know. I didn't know about my month. And then I bought some days of the week. So let me show y'all my little spread. I haven't been doing any spreads. I mean, I do decorate the. Let me just stop and show y'all. I'll be talking too much. So, y'all know I always decorate this page with family photos because I told you guys I lost my mom, my grandmother, and my grandfather all in the year of 2019. It's a very, very, very hard year for me. But it's okay. So this ain't my best work. But this is what the little spread will look like. I thought I did a little bit better. So these little, I can't get right. Like these boxes here would line up here. I had some cuter ones. Then I used my washi tape to decorate the weeks. My little flat girl, she cute. Alright, so did I not do no more? Okay, I did April. Decorate the sidebar with some boxes. I'll be just going ahead of myself. But I even did May. Okay, so see what I'm saying though? See how beautiful that is? This will be here. And then all the numbers will be matching and all that. Don't it just make you want to write? I love this spread. Love it. I didn't even know I went this far ahead. So, look, I even did June. I be at work bored. I be at work super bored. But let me zoom y'all into this little cutie at the bottom. She's so cute. Her so cute. Her so cute. My Kobe Wopey girl. She mock everything I say. Alright. I know I ain't do July. No, I didn't. Alright, so I'm all the way up into June with decor. I didn't even know I did all of that. Okay, but that's what I'm saying. That's what the spreads are. I enjoy doing them. I like how they look. And it gives me something to do while I'm at work. I don't do that to my my monthly, the one I use to budget. Because the only page they got, well, they do got this page, but I don't do nothing to it. I just do this one and put all my bills on there. And y'all, I'm so ghetto. So I was reusing my stickers, and I needed the 30th, and I put a hole in there. Oh, okay, I'm showing y'all. Y'all can't even see. I put a hole in the page, y'all. Trying to take that date up, but oh well. I got it up. Okay. I used it for March, so this is March's layout. It's cute. Alright. Girl, put them keys back. Okay, so that's that. I really love those stickers. You guys should check out her Etsy and support. Because they come from London, I think it took about 3 weeks for me to get my stickers. But obviously, I do not need them anytime soon because I didn't planned all the way up into June. All right. Masterpiece. I love it. Ooh, that look fancy, girl. She did that. Masterpiece. I'm excited. I'm so excited. She knows she be doing her thing with these pens. She know she be doing her things with these pens. Let me see how this right. I got something right on. Ooh! Oh, it's a gel. Yeah, my signature is hideous, but it's cute. It's pretty. It's a gel. And it's shimmer. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, lucky. Oh, she did another one. It's some more pens. Oh, and it's shimmer too. It's gray. And it's shimmer. I love it.
You love it.
I love it. She know though, these pens I'm obsessed with. They are so beautiful. Just gorgeous. Yes. Yes. It's like every new pen she sends becomes my new favorite pen. I got a problem. So I love this pouch. I definitely would just put all of my washi in here because right now I got them all spread out somewhere. They all in all type of pouches. So this is just letting us know what is in the box. I'm not going to read it because I'm just going to open up everything. Oh, this is cute. No. See, I know when you quiet that you doing something you don't got no business. Move. Gonna have my things in the... Girl. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I didn't rock the camera and everything. My baby in there messing with my ear pods. I'm telling y'all, I cannot have nothing. My daughter is destructo. If she quiet, something is being damaged. That's how that works. Look, she must have had it in her mouth. They all wet. Ugh. Ugh. Gross. Get out of my purse. Get out of my purse. Okay. So I honestly do not know what to do with this. I don't know. Maybe I could put it in a book as like a page holder or something. I don't know. But it's cute though. I like it. I like it. You like it? I love it. I'ma assume this where you keep your pens at. Yeah. That what I'm gonna assume. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. You know, I've been known to not know. Well, that's what I'm gonna use it for. Y'all use it for what y'all want to. I'ma use it for this. Cool. Cool. We on the same page. I love these little books that she y'all, you would think with these nails I could do anything, but yeah. Alright, I'm feeling like I'm a little touched. I cannot. There we go. Alright. So, okay, just a plain paper book. I like that. I like that. It's cute. Love the little rabbits on the back. How cute. You possess the key to inner peace. Oh, I love that. And I like that fish. That's cute. And I believe it to be true. Okay. Alright, so she had these in the last one. And I want to say they was like peach, like a little peach color. But that is really cute. Same thing. Just like camera, washing machine, mail. Or is that a washing machine too? Credit card, trash can, bows. It's cute. Art, food, family, love. Yeah, that sums me up. I love that gratitude because I have an app that asks me every night at 10 o'clock, what am I grateful for? And I fill that out every day, small or little. You always should have something that you're grateful for. Y'all know I'm here for these bows at all times. I love the bows. Alright, solid days of the week. I like that. Love, love, love. This is just really cute. I love all of her stickers. They never let me down. Oh, I love the fish and the lily pad. Super cute. My heart loves art. Beauty is everywhere. Art imitates life. Those are really cute. Alright, let's move on to these washies. Hope y'all can see them. So I love that color flow. Love it. They're super cute. Oh, these are days of the week. Washi. I wonder if the camera picking it up. There we go. Days of the week. She did that. And these are just bows. Super cute. Some more bows. It's like a little deeper color. Y'all, I got a new camera, so excuse me. I'm really trying to figure it out. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh, I can't wait to use that. Can y'all see that? It shimmers. Like the pens, it has that same shimmer in there. Oh, so cute. Alright, and these are the last of them. Come on, focus. Focus now. Alright, the camera refuses to focus. It's trying now. But it's cute. Okay, so that's it. Wrap up that video. I love my Simply Gilded subscription box. I always do. She don't never let me down. This washy baby, she come through with the wash. That's all, folks. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.